Oh. Abia. Rantu. What kind of thing is this now? Hey! We. Hey. No come me. I dey go my house. I dey go. Come here.
No, don't be angry.
You don't hear the sound? You don't hear?
I will carry a thorough investigation into this matter. Yes.
You're going to
investigate it.
You're going to investigate. You're going to investigate. Why me I call it toiletries? See me now. Oh.
Then tell you.
Go my house, go continue.
What kind of person is this now? Yeah? How can I live with this kind of human beings in my house? I will kill if I don't kill these boys, eh? Hey, know that I'm Udu. Hi! This is the one. Hey!
Sir.
Yes?
Mary na my babe.
Meaning what?
Mary na my girlfriend. And we don't move together since that time. And we dey run things together.
Mary.
Papi.
Did you hear what this young man has just said?
I know here where we're making talk him again.
I don't think you have a tympanic problem. Eh? You did not hear him. Okay. He says that you are his girlfriend and that two of you have been running things together for quite a long time now. Is it true?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Okay. Was there a time he told you that he wants to marry you?
Yes, Papi. With this Martin talk him. Sometimes when they do me like that.
Which thing? I don't understand.
In they carry me, they go in house, they push me on top bed. Come.
Hey! So, you don't open your garden for this boy to the harvest? Eh, kwa Mary?
No be me they do, they do am myself, they open am myself.
Your man, so you have been violating my daughter? Eh? And this is quite preposterous and embarrassing and... What sort of nonsense is this?
No, sir, no be so.
No what?
I swear. Now she dey carry herself with her two leg, waka come my house.
Hey!
And every time when she come my house, she go just dey carry her body, they jam my own. She go carry her body, they jam my own.
Hey.
And you know, sir, I be man.
So, you took advantage of that to violate my daughter? No. This is quite preposterous. This is embarrassing. What kind of nonsense is this? No. This is preposterous.
Hey!
This is unbelievable.
Papi!
Huh?
I don't listen to this voice, Samira. Talk as if Samira, I'm American based ability.
Mary! Hey! So you don't sabi waiting I sabi.
Shut up! Where were you when she was straying into danger area? Huh?
Now, I am very, very shameful. I am too shameful.
But stop talking gibberish. Huh?
Hey! You don't carry potential for my face.
Mommy! Ay! Yeah! Mommy!
I have told you. Leave my house.
Oh, So yes. So hold on. Wait small. Hey. Hey. Thank you. Hey. Ooh. Sorry. Okay. Hey. Hi.
What am I going to do to these boys? Huh? Why did they decide to ruin my day with dentering? What I'm going to do to these foolish boys, eh?
Mazeleke himself. Today is your day. I was even inviting the whole villagers to come and eat on your back pocket. I hope we didn't arrive at the back of the event.
Where is the guest you told us will be visiting you today?
Ibe and Obaka, you are welcome.
No.
My guest has already gone.
Huh? He's not looking
you are not looking like someone that received an important guest.
I'm not happy at all.
Huh? What do you mean by you are not happy? How can you not be happy when you have every reason to be the happiest man today?
I know what.
Did she not come?
I don't know what I'm going to do to these foolish boys of mine. Honestly. Do you know that these boys added something to the wine and the quality food I cooked for my guests?
Huh?
Yes. And as it is now, both my guests and I are purging profusely.
Where are those boys now?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know where they are.
Oh. You know what?
Yeah.
You know what?
Hey! Nah.
Ojigi?
Buto.
Yeah.
Hey! Thank God that we came very late. Huh?
Excuse me.
Yeah, I need no neighbor excuse.
Excuse me.
We would have joined this the queue of
Daddy,
Wait.
I beg you help me see Mary, my daughter, for this road.
I don't get time for this question and answer now. Wait. Wait, oh! Hello!
Hey! Now what thing that happened to Terry today? What?
How they miss them? Kaki! Tomorrow na another day. Choose una cause for me. No wahala.
Wahala de, kaki and the leather. Anywhere they enter, now so trouble. They don't get resemblance at all. For trouble, wahala. Hey, kaki and the leather. Kunu melu joy. Unembe kwa sikwazo. Now which kind planet yo? Una to come from? Kaki and the leather. Kaki, kaki, kaki and the leather. Kaki and the leather. Kaki, kaki and the leather. Their second name.
We have these two female Homo sapiens gravitated to. Huh? What is wrong with this woman? Like mother, like daughter. Huh? Hi. Where do you think that you are gallivanting back from?
No be your daughter Mary. I go see whether I go see where you pursue that boy go now.
Hi. What a life. So you left every of your house chores and went after a grown lady who is pursuing what she desires. Now, where is she?
I no see am. I no see am. See, I go show that girl Pepe today. If she come back to this house, I go pepper am.
Listen, you are not going to do anything to her. You know that she's attracted by romance. Or will I call it infatuation?
So, you see them romancing? Eh?
Hey.
You see them romancing themselves?
Agatha, will you please go inside and get me something to eat instead of you standing here and stupidly stuttering? You say the reason I insisted that both of you and your daughter, will go to school.
Hey, Ngwanu, yab me now, yab me. Not be like this, I day before you begin to run after me like man dog and he goat. Now you sabi say I know sabi book.
What kind of book do you want to know? After all, you are a stark illiterate, devoid of basic educational knowledge.
Chai, Aloy, you call me illiteracy? Eh? What I do now? Why you that assault me like this?
I am not assaulting you. After all, that will amount to domestic violence. And I don't subscribe to that. All I'm trying to say and what I'm concerned about is that in this age of digitalization, you and your daughter, you represent archaic morbidity, Noakim brought forward, and antediluvian phenomena brought up. Do you hear me?
Child! My head don't scatter.
Educational misfit.
Today. I no go comot for here. You say you go marry me. You deceive me, come chop on my tanta, come say you no go marry me. Who they do that kind thing? No be this road you dey waka dey go your house. I dey here till I catch you. I go catch you today. You won't go America, you leave me, won't go America, make I leave America for another woman. I no go do am. No problem. If you no go marry me, you go come make I retaliate wetin you do me. Ogusigo monono. I dey here.
Mary iti bari bankeki, one meki fe. Common sense if you name when keki melody level. Anything what they tell you, now so you go follow. If your papa blow grandma, you carry pound to cover your head. Also you carry pound to take cover. If your papa blow grandma, you carry pound to cover your head. Also you carry pound to take cover. Mary Nkanka, I'm gonna be a lady one challenge. Mary Nkanka.
Chineke, chelu. Is this not my American visa? Na the slippers be that. Na the color, na the height. American Boba ma Romo guy. Okwa American visa. Mgiano. Chineke m. Ana me bo hobo. Chineke me.
Mumu girl, come catch Alaska, make I see now. And maybe Alaska.
Ayo! Papa!
Will you keep quiet? I will kill you now.
Papa, give back now. Papa,
Hey! Will you shut up? Shut up. Okay, will you shut up? Just shut up. Shut up. Shut up and listen to me. Shut up. Listen, eh? Next time you try anything like this, eh? Next time you try it, I swear in the name of Itimbori, I will skin you alive. What is wrong with you? Eh? Hey! Look, I'm giving you the last chance today. Today is your last chance. Try it again and you see what I'm going to do to you. Look at him, eh? Yeah, I've had one chance, okay?
Papa, 23.
Hey, Obia. Hey, dead and nay. Obia, one. Obia.
Kaki and the ladder. Kaki and the ladder. These two children, they keep Wahala. Their second name, not trouble. Kaki and the ladder. Kaki and the ladder. Kaki and leather, not too small shit. Where there's a boy anus, never the way. Now which kind children be this year? They will have it cause you heart attack you if you go. I think they say kaki no be leather. I think they say kaki no be leather. Come and see kaki and leather. The way kaki and the leather. Kaki and the leather. Their second name, not trouble. These two children, they give Wahala. Kaki and the leather. Kaki and the leather. Hey, kaki leather.
So they have escaped. Hey! One chance, I'm mad over here. Oh. What is the Chineke mere mercy? Oh. Look at that. Hey! I thought I was flogging human beings. Look at this. I thought I was punishing them, not knowing that I was punishing myself. Look, just these boys have gone into damnation without redemption. Point of no return. When we mad in this boy. They couldn't know. So quiet. So quiet. Mary.
Papi.
I am your father.
Papi, you don't tell now. Happy you won't change.
Okay. Agatha here is your mother.
Yeah. Okay, Papi, why they talk for Parental now? No, say you be my papa and mommy na my mama.
Thank you.
Ask
very
me,
much.
Jokwam.
Thank you very much. And you are our only daughter.
No photo start. But Papi,
Maka, why?
Now, tell me, what do you want to do in life?
I want to sell groundnut like mommy. And I want marry Alaska, follow and go America.
Yeah, mom. Akoko nebu. So you want marry that felele boy wey no get quality?
Who talk am? Mommy get quality, you get quality.
But forget about which kind of quality we get?
You get American quality, you know now.
I don't know anything. I don't know.
Mama, he get American quality. Now make me I love am well. Now make I dey follow am. I dey follow am before those witchy girls see am thief am from me.
Rock of ages fall for me. Let me hide myself in What is happening? Mary, what is happening? What have you just done?
My belly.
What happened to your belly? Agatha, talk to your daughter.
Mary.
Mommy.
Wetin dey do you?
Belle.
Your belle.
They knock me for head, boy.
Hey! Mary! So you don't go chop and carry that fruit where Adam and Eve chop, abi?
Mommy, I no chop any fruit.
Okay, now. Hey! See, no be belle you carry so. Your papa go hear this one. Your father go hear am. Nge. Hey!
Kake. Leather. Akponkiri brothers. Criminals. Where were you?
Papa, we were. Leather, where it you?
Criminals. Well, I'm going to Onitsha. I don't want to hear any rokoro, buroposa, or detusutu stories when I come back. Piano tara, piajua funo. Okay? Yes.
Papa, thank you. Don't mention.
Good. So I'm off. Take care of the house. And like I said, no cock and bull stories. No kurokusa stories. No detusutu stories. Okay? No rokoro. I'm off to Onitsha. Bye.
Papa, bye-bye.
Bye.
Safe journey.
Yeah.
Papa, bye-bye, safe journey. Come back safe. Go on. Wait. Who could I go? Look at that.
Young man, you came into my forest to hunt without my permission. Now that your trap has caught a big antelope, what will you do?
Oga, now 2 of us do this thing. I don't know why they look me like say no limit they duty for here.
Nolly you, I no follow you. Nolly you they do on top, Nolly you they shout, they sweet me.
Lie. Mary, why you dey lie? Swear now say you no follow shout now, make you die for here. No, swear. You dey sweet me now. One go, let's draw.
Enough of this rebelry. What I'm saying is that
Now that what you have planted has germinated, what are you going to do?
Oga, ask your pikin wetin she wan do. Ask am wetin she wan do, because as una dey see me like this, I no dey this country. And like this, I no get money for marriage.
You no get the money for marriage, Okoya. But you get strength to chop my tanta.
No mind am. See, make I tell you, she get belle for you, and you go marry am. Which come? Nonsense.
in view of the present circumstances, you are going to take your wife, take good care of her. Later, my wife is going to bring her remaining items of property.
Papa, thank you. Thank you very much. Don't mention.
Oga.
Thank you well.
Oga, make una consider this thing well. Because not only me dey guilty for this matter. I dey my own. Your daughter go carry her 2 legs, waka come my house. Come enter, come go inside my room, come go lie down for my bed. Come they call me Alaska. Now everybody they look me like saying only me do am.
But not only you they come now.
Will you shut up? Come do what? Foolish and stupid girl.
Thank you. Don't mention, Papa.
Agatha, let us go.
This is no good though. No near me, oh. Shebi you don't get what you define, ba? You don't get what you define.
When I tell you say, Lasika be careful, you agree careful.
Are you sabi? You don't get what you define now. I no get the money for marriage, oh. I never ready to marry anybody now.
But my papa don't give me you for free. Make you carry me go inside forward the match and one.
Go inside the where. Now so that they take marry for your village. Mumu there when no sabi anything. You want come marry rich boy. I no get the money to marry you. I no get the money to marry you. No touch me.
I agree. Thank you very much. You don't mention.
No touch me, oh.
I go follow you.
No touch me, oh.
America. Now me and you go follow go to America. Make we go.
No they use your body. They jam my body.
No best.
I never see
you.
No greet me. Bad boys. What did I find at my house? When I miss road?
No, we don't miss road. Kaki will miss road. No, my papa not saying just come here. They say we can call you. He's saying they miss you. And me and just talk to make sure that we can beg you for all the things that we don't do happen. Forgive us, all the things that we don't do.
Hey, no, now. I want to stand up now. You never reach like that. Stand up. Hey, if you do like this, you are not with the quarrel. Make I tell you now. I don't hear. If that's what they do, who would they live where? Anything at all, I don't forgive you now. I don't ready now to become una new mommy.
Thank you, don't mention. Yes.
Okay, no wahala. You said me say to for come my house now. What's it I'll give you now? Am I giving her food now?
No, thank you.
For my house?
No. Also, no, make our papa speak dry because he tell us. Yes. So one quick go.
I can give you the money for biscuits now.
Yes. They go buy sweet biscuits or sweet.
Okay, Simon, I hold this one first. When I buy biscuits and granola, yeah?
Thank you.
Hey, good children. Don't worry, they come. Tell us how they come, Okay now. Hey, hey. Eh? Kaki na leda. They need that. Hey. They don't change you. God, I thank you. Hey. This marriage goes sweet though. Need that.
Alaska. Since Alaska tell me make you go buy food for me and my pikin, Alaska don't lose. Okay. Wetin I wan chop now? Hunger dey wire me and my pikin. I dey hungry. Wetin I wan chop? Make I go find even if na puff chop. Make hunger no wire me and my pikin. It's okay. Alaska.
Hey, Mary.
Auntie Eliza.
What granite?
I greet to you.
I greet you too. This one you are sitting here all alone. Are you not living with us?
Yes.
Yes. Since when?
Since today. Alaska don't marry me from my papa's.
Chirekwe, Alaska don't marry you. Really?
Really.
Congratulations, oh. It's a good thing.
Thank you. Don't mention.
But this one, you people did not invite us to your wedding.
Na Alaska you go ask that one. No be me.
So where is Alaska?
I never see Alaska. Oh. Alaska don't lost since Alaska say me go buy food for me and my pikin. Na hunger they wear me and my pikin and they hungry well.
I need cook okuri, I need also. Chirekwe, Mary wa granite. Is it pikin?
Nah.
Are you pregnant?
I get Ibele and Alaska on now.
And you said you are hungry.
Very, very well.
Okay. I think I have small food in the house. It's not good for you to starve, especially when you are carrying an unborn child. Let me get you something. In fact, come with me.
Auntie Eliza, thank you. Don't mention.
Come. You are not good. It's not supposed to starve.
Auntie Eliza, thank you. Don't mention Auntie Eliza.
Good children. How are they? How my early baby?
Plenty gift for you.
Touch you?
Yes, only you now.
See love for me?
Yes, now.
Hey, my baby. See, now I don't ever elevate. I dey salivate. You understand? So I'll just close my eye now. At work for her. I'll just catch her going down. Baby. Mine. Hey, baby. Push me down. Jesus! Hey! Wait! What happened to your wait? Hey! Wait! Wait!
You can marry her, Peg. You can marry him.
See. Maybe we'll discuss it like one family. We'll be one family. So you understand? We'll discuss it like one family. Hey! If I stand up here, from here.
Auntie Eliza, thank you, don't mention. For this food and minerals. Hunger for killing me and my pikin today. Thank you.
It's okay. You're welcome. In fact, don't mention.
I go mention them. It's easy to give person food for this hard time. It's easy. I go mention them. Thank you.
Okay. I don't hear. See, let me tell you. Anytime you need anything, do not hesitate to tell me. If not for anything, for the sake of your unborn child.
I no go wait. I go talk am.
Very one granite. It's okay. Don't rush the food. It's yours. Just calm down and eat. When you are done, bring the plate and the spoon for me.
One time. So you can use and give me food for night.
Huh? It's a night. Potawa from night. In fact, don't worry. Before night, your Alaska will be back. He will be the one to give you night food. For now, enjoy this one.
Thank you, don't mention.
So what then? Enjoy your food,
Hey, can Naija until this is boom.
Papa Mary.
Mama Mary.
We no go see how our daughter they do for that useless boy house.
As a tata, where him be? Let me use your broken language this time. Is she a small girl? Or are you going there to see how they're living as husband and wife? So that you can gossip?
Hey, I go talk that kind of thing now. At least, make we go see whether that boy, they beat our daughter.
Agatha.
Papa Mary.
Are you alright?
What did I do now? When they ask me whether I do alright. I do alright now. You know, see him. I do alright.
Not about physical alrightness. Not about being alright physically. But sometimes, even now, you are sounding to me as somebody with mental imbalance.
Try.
Look, if you want a way of going to see your boyfriend, don't use this childish strategy. I mean, you can go for a more matured and sophisticated method. Now, if you don't have anything to do with your time, go inside the house and cook the groundnut for your tomorrow's business.
Papa Mary, you are accusing me. You da accuse me. Boyfriend. So now this kind of thing, now you dey talk. Now this kind of thing you dey talk.
Okay, how you want make I talk am? How you want make I talk am? My friend, carry yourself inside the house and then find something useful to do. Instead of coming here to make me lose concentration on what I'm reading.
I carry myself go inside.
Look at this kind of thing. Daughter who just went there not long ago. Do you want the young man to marry you and your daughter?
Why are you lying down here?
Nobody your children. Nobody your children when beat me, when flog me. They don't flog me massive. They don't flog on my back, don't condemn.
Katina leather. Where are they?
I don't know. Don't be telling me they can come for house.
Me?
Say they miss me.
No. But you see, I went to Onitsha. Yeah? Since Onitsha, I went to Onitsha. I'm just coming back now.
They come my house, go tell me say they miss me, man. They come quick. I call him everything what they do. Say my cousin baby. Say my cousin baby.
These children, I'm going to kill them for this. I will roast them. Please, my dear.
Every day go kill it, go kill it, go kill it. They go they do bad thing, go kill it. You don't be you to sa.
This time I'm a couple history.
No, you to sa.
I will behead them. It's okay now.
See what you love they do me.
It's okay, just
come give me hand.
Get up now.
Give me.
Just get up.
Go hold this side. Baby.
Just get up.
They go do that.
You just have waist pain, no?
Baby say you love me.
Waist pain. That's
You
my
say you love everything about me.
I do.
Drop your palo. Drop my back. Oh, small. You want pillar finish.
This boy say I will do.
You don't say plenty flesh there.
I'll deal with them. This waist pen.
Be a man.
Hey, but my waist pen now.
You say you love me. You say you love my fat.
Oh, but you go cook for funny.
The place said, this man don't go. I need to tell Papa never think come. Bless this man don't go. Shebi, no miss Papa no go know our matter with that. You go say we go do with Sarah. Sarah to go divorce Papa. I think Holy Ghost fire. We no go allow me she marry Papa. We no go allow me she marry Papa at all. Because tomorrow when she come, she can tell us say, Kaki Aleda, make an hour she recruit. Kaki Aleda, make an go inside. Kaki Aleda, when I do this one. Not too to she's Kaki Aleda, make an arrest for now. Kaki Aleda, lean down. Kaki Aleda, raise off your hand. Kaki Aleda, close your eye. No mind. Can you not do it? Papa, good afternoon, Gomo. Papa, good afternoon.
Stay where you are. Don't play any pranks. Don't even try to run to anywhere.
Papa, when you come back? Yes, Akaki, you're right, yes.
Yeah, I came back when you were flogging my wife with that bulala.
But Papa, we not see for dinner.
Don't worry. We'll talk about that later.
Okay.
But meanwhile, both of you handle it to the house.
Left, right.
Handle it to the house.
Only?
No, I'm going to. Hey,
just match inside finish.
Let me see you off. Then I will come back and treat their madness.
Deal with them all. Deal with them all.
I'm going to show them what fire does.
With
the ears of the rats.
Deal with them all.
It's my table.
Deal with them all. Deal with them all.
Me?
Deal with them all.
I will come back now to treat their madness.
Papa, no kill us now. Papa, we are children.
You shut up those mouths before I increase your punishment.
Okay.
Very.
Papa, what do you now?
It's better for both of you to die than prevent me from marrying Tenteri. Anyway, I'm coming. It's all right.
Kaki, run before Papa will come. You cannot say you go carry your tata come. Yes, not true. We need to go.
So these Umwekwensu have bolted away from here. How did these children find Maggie's womb to be born by me? This is the question I keep asking. Eh? What the ma? Agracha must come back. Abacha also, I calculate a kilometer. It's all right. It's all right. We shall see. Hey! How did they even... Huh? How did they remove? These boys are criminals. Born criminals. Hey! Ewele! Ekemele Masio. Hey! And to think that they are little children. Oh, my holy friend.
It has not been easy actually, but we go to push.
No, that's it.
Uncle Kaki, good afternoon.
What do you want?
Uncle Kaki, you could be allowed to intervene for this stuff. Yes.
Pay before service. It's not a big deal.
Uncle Kaki, when I dance, anything will go far. That's I think that time Mama would dance, not would make more money. Small money. Sister, come big. If you dance for your stuff, go far.
When you dance, you make small money. They pay you. Is that not true? You dance, they pay you now. Answer me. Good. Now business I they do. Pay me. If you no want pay, see road.
But Uncle Kaki, how much?
Good. That is what I want to hear. 2,000 naira, not big.
Uncle Kaki, it too cost.
No problem. You can go there. Go and do your entertain outside there. I don't even need you. Neither do I need your money.
Uncle fire. Go.
Hey boys, come back.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So you want to dance?
Yes, sir.
Well, you don't have money to pay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, don't worry. I'll pay for you to do your dance because I want to see you dance.
Wait, okay, you mean them? You mean them?
Yes.
You mean them? Hey! Yeah.
AUX mode.
I don't connect.
Wow. Man, you guys are doing well. You're great. Bravo. I love this. Wow.
Thank you, sir. But no mention for us.
Okay. You guys are asset to my industry. I would like to help you. Where did you live and who did you live with?
We live at this village.
Okay.
I will live with our papa. Yes, sir.
Okay. I would like to come see your father. What is his name?
Maasieleke. Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll come see him and talk to him about you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.
All right. Just take this and buy whatever you want to buy, okay?
Uncle, you mean this, sir?
Yeah.
Uncle, one answer. Extra thanks for you.
Amen. Oh my God, I really love this. All right.
Kakina leather. Akbonkri brothers. Ha. So you don't want to come out for your punishment, eh?
Okay. I think I will come in there and get you myself. Let me go on. Hey! Lekwenu manyo! Eh? Lekwenu him jak me did it. What kind of children are these? All the meat I bought from Dedo Bueri. I can't know for that matter. Ifyam. They finished it. Chineke me. What is all? And come to think of it, how did they escape from this house? Eh? Hey, I know I'm not so boo. Eh? Kidebem ge bide bikon. Eh? I know that type I like. They gave me the best part of it. Ifyam. These boys finished it. Hewele! It's all they will come. Won't they? Okay, it's all right. It's all right.
Eleke.
You're my brother. You're welcome.
I heard your sons flogged your wife.
My brother, I went to Naija to pick things for my business. These boys went and tricked Tenderi that I was calling her. So she came innocently.
What?
They pushed her down and flogged her mercilessly.
What?
Ibe, they are the ones I'm waiting for here. I want to kill those boys with my bare hands before they send me to my ancestors before my time.
This is a serious matter.
Do you know that I sent them to go and get my bulala? They went into the room and I did not know how they escaped from there. Besides, they meet in my soup pot. Finished everything.
Eleke, stop looking for them. They are nowhere around any place in this place. Because I saw them at Kakake's bar as I was coming.
Yes.
Before I saw your Tenteri, who now told me how they dealt with her. That was how I heard now, and I decided to come and see you.
Hey! Ibebet, tell me, why is it that they don't want my choice of woman? They have rejected about 4 choices of mine before this one.
Eleke, have you tried to find out why they are rejecting this woman, what they don't like?
No matter what it is Tenteri coming to be their wife.
Huh? But whatever happens now, just find out so that you know how to deal with them.
Oh, did you say that Kakaki's bar?
Of course, I saw them there as usual, where they are dancing for people.
Hey. Let's go there. Let me lock up. Hey. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Lekwe ni hem jira akpe dere o. Eh? Oh, thread.
Kaki? Yeah? Hey. Thank God for Kumako. Yes, sir. It was that man. No, give us this money. We will not do this shop at all. Daddy? Huh? I have a bit fast. Because the floor is power flocus. I don't have a problem. We will go to Papa Lemau. Come on, Papa Lemau.
Come. No, Benelos, you're not a back up area. Isi wabu onye mere ifie ka onye metara. Ka onye metara. Ka onye metara. Ka onye metara. Isi wabu onye mere ifie. Now, what do you say?
Papa, thank you so much.
And for eating all the meat in my soup pot. Hi! Aquarano for that matter. There'll be no meat for you in this house for 1 month.
Papa J.
And now, you go to Tentere, my woman, and apologize to her for flogging your mother.
But Papa, I'm not going to go with my mama. Tentere will flog. Yes. You're right.
Shut up! Are you going or not? Or do you want me to service you with more koboko?
Kaki, we don't go more koboko. I am going to go.
Okay. When you get there, tell her that I sent you to come and apologize to her.
Okay.
And let me not wait for you for too long. Am I talking to somebody?
Yes, sir.
Hey, my husband. My husband.
Now waiting.
You know be my husband. You know here when they call you my husband.
Who be your husband? Now when me and you marry?
No be me and you they stay for this house.
So because me and you they stay for house, we don't turn to wife and husband.
Ngwano. I no want talk and plenty. Are they hungry?
You the hungry? I be food.
You no be food, man. Now you go bring the money where I go use take buy food.
The day where your papa and your mama carry you come drop for my domo to here, then give you any pocket money for food.
I don't give me belly. I they ask you. Now then give me belly. Now person will give me belly and I go give me money to buy food. Are they hungry? Give me money.
See, make I tell you something. Make you carry your 2 leg, waka enter that room. Make you go carry your load. They go you back to your papa and your mama house. Because I not getting money for 3 people food though. Yeah. I not getting money to feed 3 people though.
Yeah, Obago. You don't forget. When are you there? They sell granite. You know that Lami sell granite. You they carry me. They come here. You know Sabi Okoya. You don't have. I need money for food. Are they hungry?
Oh yo. Don't tear this clothes. Leave me now. Now which kind of wahala be this now?
You they call on wahala now, Okwaya. When you they throw my leg up left and center, you know no say na wahala. Okwaya.
Yeah. Now waiting man taking head collect like this.
What you they complain yourself?
Mary.
Give me food, money make I go buy food for me and my pikin. Wait be this.
You know say na you cause this wahala so. This problem where we dey inside now you cause am.
Which problem? I dey ask you now, which problem?
You dey ask me.
Why no go ask you?
If to say you not catch all the ball where I shoot, we not forget this wahala so.
Like say you use bolombolo like other men they use bolombolo, we no go there for this wahala.
Eh? You say waiting?
Which one you hear?
The other men one where you talk now.
Forget that one.
Make I forget you waiting. Eh? Mary, this one where you carry hand took for Alaska pocket. Wetin happen? Ask am o. This girl just dey make my life dey very injurious since where her papa and her mama come abandon her for my domot.
Mary, I don't know you like this.
Wetin happen?
I don't know you. Why you gonna do this kind of thing? What didn't do you?
In chop yam, no one drink the water.
You say what?
In chop yam, no one drink the water.
What did they talk? I don't understand.
I advise your friend, make you give me money. He give me belle, no one give me money for maintenance.
You get belle?
You don't see him. Na in belle, na in fall. I say they use bolombolo like other men. We no go there for this trouble.
Other men, Mary.
No, again.
You hear him? You hear him? I think say na me get belle. I don't know say we plenty o.
No worry. This girl, she dey joke. Eh? No come embarrass yourself or you don't carry
make it thunder fire that your mouth where you use the talk embarrass yourself there.
And for you wey carry another man belle come put it for my head. Nga. And every woman wey sabi scatter leg but you no sabi avoid the belle. Nga.
Yeah, wo. Any man wey sabi no use bolombolo. Nga.
Lady Gaga, Gaganga, Bukuna settle this thing amicably. Like mature young people.
Mary, my wife.
Again.
I don't think I'm say this one where me and you just stay here with the fight, with the quarrel, and the solution day. I want make you peace reign. Go inside, they make you go dress. I want carry you go buy food. Another picking maintenance things where you go need.
Oh, say. My American bobo.
Nazo.
You see as my mind is sweet to me now. Ngwano make I go change.
Go.
Make I leave you. Lover boy. Lover man. Make I dey go. Easy, yeah? Don't meet me for that from.
Are you serious what you just said?
If I'm not serious, why I go dey talk now for my mama papa house at the waka they come like this?
Hey, why now? Why will he do such a thing? That's wickedness.
I don't know why he go do am and I carry him pikin.
See, it's okay. Just go back to your mama and your papa house. I will talk to Alaska. He will surely bring you back. As long as I'm in this compound, he will bring you back for the sake of this child. Oh?
Thank you, don't mention.
Just go. Oh? Don't worry. Alaska. Walk. To not walk.
Lisa. She don't go.
Alaska. Hey!
Pretty.